What's that noise? Are you okay? What's that noise? Are you okay? What's that noise? Are you okay?
This roller hurts. It's really bad. This roller hurts. It's really bad. This roller hurts. It's really bad.
You scream like a baby. You scream like a baby. You scream like a baby.
You ran 5K yesterday. Try it. You ran 5K yesterday. Try it. You ran 5K yesterday. Try it.
A real man feels no pain. A real man feels no pain. A real man feels no pain.
Okay, Mr. Strong. Your turn now. Okay, Mr. Strong. Your turn now. Okay, Mr. Strong. Your turn now.
This looks very simple. Watch me. This looks very simple. Watch me. This looks very simple. Watch me.
Be careful. It's not a game. Be careful. It's not a game. Be careful. It's not a game.
Oh my God, it's killing me. Oh my God, it's killing me. Oh my God, it's killing me.
See? I told you it hurts. See? I told you it hurts. See? I told you it hurts.
My leg, it's on fire. Help! My leg, it's on fire. Help! My leg, it's on fire. Help!
You look like a shrimp now. You look like a shrimp now. You look like a shrimp now.
Pain is wisdom. Push through it. Pain is wisdom. Push through it. Pain is wisdom. Push through it.
Very wise words, my dear. Very wise words, my dear. Very wise words, my dear.
Please, no more pain. What now? Please, no more pain. What now? Please, no more pain. What now?
Maybe try the other leg, wise man? Maybe try the other leg, wise man? Maybe try the other leg, wise man? Great job finishing this exercise. To keep me motivated and supported in making more videos, please give it a like, share, and subscribe.